The Umroi sub-centre, which has been in operation since 1974, celebrated its 50th anniversary in providing healthcare services to the people of the surrounding region. The event was held at the Umroi playground yesterday. Addressing the event as chief guest, Umroi MLA Damanbait Lamare expressed appreciation for the efficient operations of the sub-centre and the significant benefits it has brought to the public seeking medical care. He assured the people that the sub-centre will soon be upgraded to a primary health centre.
Yang minister, yang mem amperin, bato madam Sobha, wat kilat kelenti, selut ibu istarkan beron ibu ibor jongpi, ban penkiu kerdan no ye kaneka, sub health center, sega PHC. Namar kumbalang ye keren latip, bagane. Kanega area Umroi jongi kat population kalajan kot sadu segat kendai hajar tam segi 10,000 duna.
As part of the Christmas and